In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in Hostinger. If you no longer need your Hostinger account and you want to remove it permanently, I'll walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. Before you begin, make sure you're certain about this decision, because deleting an account is usually permanent and may affect access to your hosting services, websites, or saved account information. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access your account settings and manage personal details. Next, look for your profile section. This is typically located in the upper area of the screen, depending on the device or browser you're using. Click on your profile to open the account-related options. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Hostinger may update its interface from time to time, but the general process remains the same. From the Profile menu, click on Account Information. This section contains the core details connected to your account, and it's also where you'll find the option to manage or remove it. Once you're inside Account Information, scroll down carefully through the page. The delete option is usually placed lower on the screen since it's considered a sensitive action and is intentionally not displayed too prominently. When you find the delete account option, click on it. At this point, Hostinger will likely ask you to confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental account removal, so read the message on the screen carefully before continuing. If you're completely sure, confirm the deletion to proceed. After confirming, your account deletion request should be processed. In some cases, you may receive an on-screen notice or a follow-up message confirming that the account has been removed or that the process has started. It's a good idea to check for any final instructions shown by Hostinger before closing the page. And that's it. That's how to delete an account in Hostinger. If you plan to create a new account later, make sure you save any important files or information beforehand, since you may not be able to recover them after deletion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.